Hi everyone! Welcome to the YouTube channel today. In this video we're going to take a look at these new Tuxedo Box Cards. They are really cool. They're kind of like a box card but at an angle, which just makes a really cool dynamic effect. So we've got a really beautiful poinsettia version. We've got a nativity version with a little manger scene here and the Bethlehem in the background. And then this version is a little fall fox. So I'm going to set these two off to the side for a minute and I'm going to show you how this is put together. Basically this is the card base and how it looks, and I've gone ahead and put the covering panels here on these two sections here because those are going to fold over and you're going to see them on the front of the box. I'll just show you again the poinsettia one. You can see how there's not really any covering panels on those back two panels, but they're here on these, and then on these two triangles as you fold them down. You'll want to put your embellishment there as well. And we're also decorating these back pieces here with our trees, and our little fox insert is the only thing left to put in. So let's go ahead and put some adhesive here on this piece so we can close our box up. And just fold that right over, and then again just fold those two triangles down, and that's our basic card base. So our insert looks like this piece right here, and it's got two little tabs here on the side, and those are going to fold back like this. And then what we're going to do is actually lay that down in here and just glue it flat and centered. And you can choose how high you want it to be, but you're going to want to glue those two tabs on the side down, and you'll want your card to lay flat so that it can fit into a 5x7 envelope. So let's go ahead and put a little adhesive. We want to put it on the front side here, and then when we open it, it's actually going to curve. So our little embellishment will stand out in the middle just like we're doing here with our poinsettia. You can kind of see how that curves. Isn't that cool? That way everything is facing on the angle, which I really love. So we'll just put some good adhesive on those two tabs because they're going to be holding all of the pressure from the insert when it curves. So just go ahead and you can kind of eyeball your height. You're going to be sticking that fox right there in the center of your tab. Oh, that looks good to me right there. And then we'll just push that down. Make sure that seals good, and then you can see how that is going to curve. Now you wouldn't want to fold your card flat this way because that would put a crease through the middle. You're just going to want to fold it like flat like that and then stand it up like this. And as you work with it, you can kind of get it to become more pliable so that it stands more at a square. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our little fox on there. So I'm just going to put some adhesive right through this center part of him. And of course I'm running out of adhesive, but I believe I've got enough on there to do the trick. So we'll go ahead and just stick him right on there. And then you can see how cute that is when he stands up. Look how fun. So I hope you enjoy this new card style. If you love it, let me know and I will make more for the upcoming holiday season and throughout the whole year. So you can get the cutting files at my shop at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format, and you can also get the silhouette cutting files at the Silhouette Design Store. So hope you have a great day, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.